oxide reaction with oxygen, it can form nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide gas passes into the absorption tower. This is called absorption tower. Absorption tower. In this absorption tower, nitrogen dioxide gas passes into this. At the same time, from top to bottom, water is passed in this. This water fall in this container through the bricks. These are called chamber bricks. It absorbs the water, then fall into this one by one drop. At the same time, there is a nitrogen dioxide gas. That nitrogen dioxide gas reaction with that water, it can form nitric acid solution or nitric acid components. So that is about the HNO3. Generally, this HNO3 is a gas state, generally possible, then we converted into liquid state. This dots means nitrogen dioxide. This dots means this one means nitric acid. Difference is like that. That is about the Ostwald's process. Repeat once again. 1:7 or 1:8 ratio, ammonia and oxygen gas pass into the catalyst chamber. What is the catalyst in this? Platinum gas catalyst. This ammonia and oxygen gas pass into the catalyst chamber, then pass into the aluminum tower. In this aluminum tower, first this ammonia and oxygen gases are cooling it. Why cooled it means there is a impurity substance are separated by this aluminum tower. By cooling, in this impurity substance are separated. Then this is passed into the boiler. When it is passed into the boiler, it can form a nitric oxides. That nitric oxide pass into the oxidation chamber. It can form nitrogen dioxide. Nitric oxide with oxygen, nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide pass into these containers. What is this container? Absorption tower container. In this, water is fall in this top to bottom. Here these are called bricks chambers. They are called. Water falls slowly by one drops by these bricks. In that same time, we pass the NO2 gas. This NO2 gas reaction with water, it can form a nitric acid. So in this, we will get the 61% concentrate nitric acid only. 61% nitric acid only will get. They are converted into 68% and also 98% by the what are the distillations methods? It is possible by the distillations method. That is about nitric acid. Okay, so very important this one. This nitric acid chemical properties. What are the chemical properties of nitric acid? What are the chemical properties of nitric acid? Chemical reactions involved for the preparation of nitric acid. In this Ostwald's process, first ammonia reaction with oxygen. Ammonia equations in Ostwald's process. Ammonia reaction with oxygen at condition platinum gas at 1155 Kelvin's temperature. It can form nitric oxide and also water. Nitric oxide and also water for balance. 6H2O. Everything is balanced. Nitrogen. 4 nitrogen here 2 na. 4 nitrogen. 12 hydrogen. 6 plus 4 10 oxygen 10 oxygen. Everything is balanced. Ammonia reaction with oxygen, platinum gas 1155 Kelvin, nitric oxide and oxygen. This is first reaction. Now nitric oxide reaction with oxygen, oxidation method, it can form nitrogen dioxide. That is the second condition for balance. 2NO plus O2, 2NO2. Now, this 2NO2 reaction with water. This one, 2NO2 reaction with this water. It can form nitric acid, HNO3. It can form nitric acid. Check it. 2NO2 reaction with water. 2 hydrogen balance, 2 nitrogen balance, 4, 5, 2, 3 is a 5. Means half O2 required here also. It can form nitric acid possible. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 to 4 plus 1, 5, 2, 3 is a 6 of O2. So they are the possible reactions in this. Okay, so nitrogen dioxide, water, nitric acid with oxygen. They are the chemical reactions involved in Ostwald's process. First, ammonia oxide, nitric oxide, oxygen, nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide reaction with water, it can form nitric acid. Nitrogen dioxide reaction with water, it can form nitric acid. Another equation also positive, 4NO2, 4HNO3, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8. So 2. Another one is 4NO2 plus 2H2O plus O2, same only another one. 4 cross multiplication, 2 2 is 4, 2H2O, O2, 4HN. They are the involved reaction, chemical reaction. That is about nitric acid. Okay, nitrogen oxo acids, nitric acid. Hi students, in our previous class in CUQ questions, MCQ questions completed up to 49. Next we continue with that 50 onwards in CUQ type questions in our material. Question number 50 in that. 49 already completed in your previous classes. 50. In hyponitrous acid, the number of hydroxyl groups. You know that what is hyponitrous acid? HNO or H2N2O2 is called hyponitrous acid. HNO2 is called nitrous acid. HNO3 is called nitric acid. HNO4 is called pernitric acid. First one is hyponitrous acid, nitrous acid, nitric acid, pernitric acid. In this there is a peroxy bond. So it is called pernitric acid. So you want the number of OH groups in this structure. In that structure, given optionals are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When we observe this, it is more stable in this state, not this state. Means H2N2O2 state. In this possible hydroxyl group is N, double bond N, OH, single bond OH. So how many OH groups are possible? 2. That is the answer. Hydroxyl groups are possible 2 in that compound. Next one, oxidation state of phosphorus in orthophosphorus acid. Oxidation 51%. Oxidation number of phosphorus in orthophosphorus acid. What is the orthophosphorus acid formula? H3PO4. Phosphorus means H3PO3. Phosphoric means H3PO4. He want the oxidation state of phosphorus in plus 3 is. First one is orthophosphorus acid. Orthophosphorus acid formula H3PO3. In this, how much it is possible? Hydrogen 3 into plus 1, phosphorus X, 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 plus X minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 3. So, plus 3 oxidation number is possible. In this, its name is orthophosphorus acid, or simply called phosphorus acid. You know H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Another name, orthophosphoric acid. Phosphorus acid, orthophosphorus acid. Phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid. That is the difference. So this is the 51 question. 52 question is a tribasic acid with peroxy bond is. Tribasic acid with peroxy bond is. So which compound come? Phosphorus oxo compound containing hydroxy group, trihydroxy group with peroxy bonding. First option is given H3PO2. H3PO2 meaning at least 3 hydrogen 3 OH required for tribasicity. It is a wrong. Second option is given H3PO3. H3PO3 acid basicity is, you know that how much it is? 2 only, not 3. It is also wrong. Third option H3PO4. It is 3 possible but no peroxy bond. Wrong. Fourth one H3PO5. It has a 3 basicity and peroxy bond possible. Its structure is PO-OH, OH, double bond OH. Check it. 3 hydrogens. It has a 3 OH groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 OH groups and OO bond. OO bond is called, you know that, peroxy bond. OO bond is called peroxy bond. Its oxidation number is 2. Its oxidation number is 2. So, 52 question. Question number 52. What he want? Tribasic acid with peroxy bond. 52 question he want. Tribasic acid with peroxy bond. Basicity 3 means 1, 2, 3. 3 basicity correct. Peroxy bond, OO bond is called peroxy bond. So answer is 4. This is basicity 3 but not a peroxy compound. Not a peroxy compound. Next one, question number 53. The salts of phosphorus acids are called phosphides. Phosphides we call. That is calcium phosphide. Like that. Next, which contains OO linkase? Which contain OO linkase? Already you know. OO linkase is possible in where? OO. OO means peroxy bond. Which one contain? H3PO5. So question number 54 also answer is same. That is H3PO5. H3PO5 contain OO linkase. OO linkase. Next, another question. The formula of metaphosphoric acid is. Already you know that metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphorus acid formula HPO2. Metaphosphoric acid formula HPO3. You remember it or by heart it from your material. Metaphosphorus acid formula is HPO2. Metaphosphoric acid formula is HPO3. That is the another question. Next question number 56. Oxidation state of +1 of phosphorus is found. +1 is found in which of the following compound? Here given optionals are H3PO3. This is given. It is first optional in this. Second one is H2PO3. H3PO3. Next H3PO2. This is given. Next H3PO4. It is given. H4P2O7 is given. But you know that this is the possible is +1. What he want? +1 oxidation state. Already that question repeated. +1 oxidation state. 56. This one answer possible. Check it. H3PO2. Phosphorus oxidation number. 3 into hydrogen +1 we know. Phosphorus X. 2 into oxygen -2 is equal to 0. 3 plus X minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to +1. So 56 question +1 oxidation state is possible in H3PO2. Next 57. The number of hydroxyl groups possible in phosphoric acid. Already you know. What is the phosphoric acid formula? H3PO4. In this OH group C called H3PO4 OH group C called. It is the question number 57. Question number 57. Question number 57. What he want? H3PO4. H3PO4. The number of hydroxy groups. You know the structure. POH, OH, OH, double bond O. H3PO4 structure. How many OH groups? OH group is called hydroxyl group. How many possible? 3 possible. How many possible? 3 possible. So that is the question number 57. That is answer is 3. Next question number 58. Which of the following is an acid? Which of the following is an acid? Question number 58. Given optionals: calcium hydroxide. First optional, calcium hydroxide. You know metal with OH, calcium hydroxide is a base. So wrong. Next one, POH taken thrice. OH group with non-metal acid correct, because this is also called H3PO3 phosphorus acid. This is the answer. This is first optional. This is second optional. Third option is given as NH4OH ammonium hydroxide base. Next one, fourth one, NaOH sodium hydroxide base. So answer is POH taken thrice, because OH with non-metal element. So what is the answer? Question is which of the following is acid? This is base, this is base, this is base. So acid answer is POH taken thrice. You know already it is also called H3PO3 like this. These all are acids. H3PO, PO3, PO4, PO2, these all are acidic nature. So answer is 58 is second optional. Next question number 59. The oxy acid of phosphorus, which is more non-ionizable of hydrogen atom. Non-ionizable of hydrogen atoms are possible in H3PO2 because lower oxidation number. It is answer is H3PO2. 59. Answer is 1. H3PO2 because it is a lower oxidation number. Next question number 60. Question number 60. The mixture of concentrate HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4 is called. It is there in our first year organic chemistry. You know that what is that? Benzene reaction with HNO3 concentrate and in presence of concentrate H2SO4. In this nitric acid, OH with NO2 group NO2 group attached here, hydrogen with OH water, so it can form nitrobenzene plus water. It is there in our first year organic chemistry. Benzene reaction with concentrate HNO3, presence of concentrate H2SO4, it can form nitrobenzene and water. In that condition, what we call in that topic, this is called nitration mixture. Means nitration means concentrate HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4. Here what is the question? The mixture of concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4 is called nitration mixture. In first year what is we call nitration reaction in organic chemistry. Next question number iron 61. Iron is rendered passive in means it is there in your first year 13th group element, that is called third A group elements. You know aluminium concentrate HNO3 reaction, concentrate HNO3 with aluminium metal, because 13th group elements what are they? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, aluminium metal is there. When aluminium attached to concentrate HNO3, this concentrate HNO3 react with aluminium metal, it can form a metal film layer possible. Means it reaction initially only, after that the reaction is not continued. That property is called passivity property. Means initial only reaction, after that no reaction in that. Why it is not continue that reaction? Means when initially they can form reaction, it can form a one type of film means a compound possible layer on the surface of that metal, that is called passivity. It is not react more and more these compounds. That is possible in aluminum metal, chromium metal and iron metal. Aluminum metal, chromium metal and iron. Means it is reaction initially only, after that no reaction, that is called passivity. Here they can form a one type of compound film possible, means layer possible. So it is not reaction, it is not goes to further reaction. It is very important competitive bit. So answer is iron is rendered passivity with concentrate HNO3, not only iron, aluminum in first year and chromium metal also possible like that. Next question number 62. The industrial preparation of nitric acid by Ostwald process involves. Nitric acid Ostwald process, which compound is involved? Ammonia compound. Oxidation of ammonia. Remember 4 moles of ammonia reaction with 5O2 means oxidation of ammonia. Next question number 63. Catalyst in the Ostwald process, we know that what is the catalyst? Platinum gas. What is the catalyst? Platinum gas. Question number 64. In Haber's process, the manufacture of ammonia, catalyst is, you know that, finely divided iron catalyst. That is question number 64. 65. The catalyst promoter used Haber process is. Haber process, what is the promoter? Molybdenum promoter or potassium and aluminum oxide promoter. In ammonia preparations, what is the catalyst? Finely divided iron. It is there in your first year chemical equilibrium also. What is promoter? Molybdenum MO or potassium and aluminum oxides. Question number 66. Ammonia burning in oxygen gives. You know that it is there in our Ostwald's process. it can form nitric oxide and water possible. Next 67, an aqueous solution of ammonia containing ammonium ion and hydroxyl, ammonia with water, ammonium hydroxide. 67, ammonia aqueous solution, ammonia aqueous solution, it can form ammonium hydroxide, it can form ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide means ammonium ion and OH minus ion. So your answer is ammonium ion and OH minus ion means hydroxy ion. Next question number 68. Nitrolium is, what is nitrolium? CaCN2 plus C is called nitrolium. What is Ci called? Graphite. You remember that? It is very important competitive bit. What is nitrolium? You know, it is the cyanamide process, to preparation of ammonia. CaCN2 plus C is called nitrolium. CaCN2 plus C. What is C? C means graphite. That is called nitrolium. Where it is used? It is used in the preparation of fertilizers. Next, question number 69. In the presence of in the preparation of HNO3 by Ostwald process, ammonia is, same question repeated, oxidized. Next question number 70. Ammonium chloride on heating with NaOH, it can form, it liberates. So question number 70, given question is ammonium chloride with sodium hydroxide, it liberated which gas? You know, NaCl possible, H with OH water possible. So it can form NaCl and ammonia and also water. Check it. NaCl, one hydrogen with OH, that is called water, remain part is ammonia. So which gas is liberated? Ammonia gas is liberated. That is question number 70. Next one, another one is ammonia gas is dried by quicklime. It is also in our first year. Ammonia gas is dried over by quicklime. What is quicklime? CaO is called quicklime. CaO is called quicklime. Next question 72. Which of the following compound is not used as a fertilizer? Ammonium sulfate, you know in previous class also, ammonium sulfate, urea used as a fertilizer. First optional, ammonium sulfate fertilizer, urea fertilizer. Calcium superphosphate, it is also fertilizers. So calcium phosphate, it is not used directly in fertilizers. So 72, fourth option is wrong. So not used means calcium phosphate. 73. Which of the following can serve a solvent for both ionic and covalent compound? Liquid ammonia. This one. Liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia behaves like the ionic compound and covalent compound. That is the first optional. 74th question. Teeth and bones are made of mainly, you know that calcium phosphate. In our first year, 2A group elements, it is calcium phosphate. And superphosphate lime is a good fertilizer because why it is good fertilizer? Superphosphate of lime, it is easily soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. So in CUK questions in our material, 1 to 75 are there. That 1 to 75 are completed. All are discussed. Next, level 1 questions. Level 1 questions previous up to 30 completed, not 30, up to 36 completed. Next one in this 37th question. Ammonia and air are the starting material for the manufacture of nitric acid in. Already you know, level 1. Next one is level 1. CUQ total completed in our 15th group, level 1. In level 1 also, up to 36 completed. Next one is 37th onwards. 37th onwards. Ammonia and air are the starting material for the manufacture of nitric acid in. You know that ammonia and air, where it is used? Ostwald process. You know that ammonia. Question number 37. Ammonia, 4 moles of ammonia, 5 moles of oxygen is used. That is 1:7 or 1:8 ratio. It is used in the manufacture of nitric acid by Ostwald's process. So question number 37 is second optionals. Next 38. Moles of oxygen that can be oxidized. 1 mole of ammonia, 2 NO. How many moles of oxygen that can be oxidized? 1 mole of ammonia, 2 NO. Means this same question, but you want in different method. You know that by Ostwald's method, 4 moles of ammonia reaction with 5 moles of oxygen, it can form nitric acid NO and also possible as a 6H2O water. Chemical reaction, remember Ostwald's process chemical reaction. You know that reaction in Ostwald's process 6H2O. It is a balanced chemical reaction. Platinum gas 1155 kelvins. It is a balanced chemical reaction. Check it. So in this what he want in 38 question, moles of oxygen that can be oxidized to prepare 1 mole of ammonia. Generally 4 moles of ammonia, 5 moles of oxygen is required. 4 moles of ammonia, 5 moles of oxygen is required. In your question he gave 1 mole of ammonia is there. How many moles of oxygen are required? You know that crisscross method. 1 into 5 by 4, that is 1.25. 5 ones are 5, 2 5 twos are 8, 5 fives are 4 fives are 20. So answer is 1.25 moles required. 38 question, answer is 1.25 moles. Next question, 39th question. The percentage of nitric acid obtained Ostwald's process is, you know how much you got in Ostwald's process in previous class? 61% only. Then it is distillation in concentrate H2SO4, 68%. Then it is crystallization is possible up to 98%. So 61% only possible in Ostwald's process. Question number 40. Which does not gives ammonia with water? Which does not gives ammonia with water? You know this is also in our previous class, given in our previous class in ammonia preparation. In ammonia preparation using compounds magnesium nitride reaction with water, it can form magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. Magnesium hydroxide and ammonia. So this is 3 moles, this is 2 moles, this is 6. So ammonia is possible by first optional. Question number it is 40. Question number 40, first optional. Second optional is aluminium nitride. Aluminium nitride reaction with water, it can form aluminium hydroxide and ammonia. Aluminium hydroxide and ammonia. So it is possible 6, 2, 2, 2. These all are balanced chemical equation only. Check it. So second one also ammonia preparation possible. Third optional is given. What is the third optional? CaCN2. You know cyanamide process. CaCN2 reaction with cyanamide, CaCN2 reaction with water, it can form calcium carbonate and ammonia. Calcium carbonate and ammonia. Check it. All are balanced equation. So this is also correct. Magnesium nitride ammonia preparation, aluminum nitride ammonia preparation, calcium cyanamide ammonia preparation. 3 are possible. Fourth one, CaCN taken twice. Not possible to preparation of ammonia. What is given optional? 41. Which does not give ammonium with water? That is called CaCN2 is wrong statement.